All right, here's the solution you've been waiting for. And I went ahead and checked a couple of things in a little previous video. Not sure if I posted that or not, but the very first video talked about this 2006 Volvo S60 with no start and starter seemingly engaging, but engine wouldn't turn over at all, and also bring the headlights right down, just draw every snot out of that battery, and it wouldn't turn over even by hand with a long breaker bar on the engine through here on the crankshaft through the wheel well, and it would not turn. Now I have the accessory belt off, and with the accessory belt off, quite easily engine turns in both directions nicely, right around in circles, not an issue. And previously it would turn a bit in one direction, and it was slipping on the belt, that's why, and turn the other way it wouldn't slip, it was actually tightening itself up. So that's why it would turn a little bit in one direction, not the other. For those folks that were mentioning seized engine, timing belt breaking, potentially pistons coming up against the valves and all that kind of stuff, excellent, bang on, great thinking, but you didn't have the luxury of being here to take off the accessory belt. So I'll take you around here. Here's the accessory belt. It is off. The accessory belt drives off the end of the crankshaft. It's way down south there somewhere. There, still has, if you can see, it still actually has the socket on the end of it. So way down there is the crankshaft pulley, and it turns all these accessories. This is the power steering pump, nice and free, turns that. Right here is the alternator, and that's free, and that turns that. And then one more accessory way down, and that is the air conditioning compressor. Follow my hand down, way down, and just focus the fart here. And if you go way down, right there, this is the clutch on the front. This is there's a bearing under this pulley that should turn freely, and that's seized tight, 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 tight. So with this compressor clutch seized, the bearing seized, there's no way that the starter, which is back here, no way the starter can overcome that leverage. So obviously it would be just like the engine was seized solid, and no way it would turn over. Of course, it was in the direction that I couldn't turn it by hand either. It would actually create some tension on the belt and tighten the belt more. The way it should be in that direction. So, what do I need? We need to replace that pulley bearing assembly on the end of that compressor. And I'll check that out. It still doesn't look like a great fun job. It's way down there. But that is a lot easier and cheaper than replacing this whole engine. Even though it looks like you just gotta grab it, pull it out. Oh, I squeeze your head. Peace out. Thanks for playing.